DK. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. G is for giant. These gentle giants have very long necks, slim legs, and tufty tails. G is for greedy. Giraffes spend most of their time eating. G is for greens. Their long tongues grab tasty green leaves from treetops. G is for gorgeous. Giraffes have pretty patterned coats, lovely long eyelashes, and goofy grins. G is for gallop. Galloping helps giraffes to travel quickly. G is for group. Giraffes roam through grassy plains in small groups called herds. G is for gentle. Giraffe parents keep their little ones safe and watch over them until they grow big and strong.